students, we are going to continue our lesson by talking about a cone, okay? Every detailed explanation about a cone will be done here today. Now, assuming I have a circular or a circle, okay? Now, we are told that if I have a circle, the perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, okay? This is the perimeter of a circle with center O and radius what? R. The perimeter of a circle, the distance around a circle is 2 pi r. So if I should take a sector off, okay? If I should take a sector off like this, okay, with radius r, and I should take this sector off, let's say this angle is theta, and I pick this sector out, and I want to find the length of an arc, which we learned in our previous lesson when we were doing mensuration 1. We said the length of an arc, let's say if this is A and this is B, length of arc AB will be equal to this angle theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This will give us the length of this arc AB, okay? And if you want the length of a whole circle, it is what? 2 pi r, okay? Now, assuming I have this sector, which you have here folded, okay, or this sector cut out, let's cut this side out, okay? So I'm going to do that same thing here. I'm going to cut a sector out, and then we are going to use the remainder of the sector, or the sector which has been cut out, to form what? A cone. Now, assuming I cut out this side to the center, very good. Now, you can also do this and follow me. So, assuming I have this sector which is left, okay, and then I fold this. So you see this is the radius, this is also the radius. Now, if I should fold this side, okay, so that they meet to coincide to form a cone like this, okay, so when they meet and they coincide, it forms a cone. This is what we call a cone, okay? You could see here. Now, this is my radius. Now, assuming I have a cone here, okay, assuming this is the cone formed, okay, with height, this is the height h of the cone, the base radius r, and this is the slant height L. Okay, so let me name this capital R, capital R. So this is my capital R, my slant height. You realize that this radius which you see here now becomes, you see when I fold it, this radius, when I fold it becomes my what? My slant height L, okay? That's why I'm putting it as capital R here, okay? So my slant height L is equal to my radius here, okay? And then you realize that the length of this arc, this is very serious, the length of this arc you see here now becomes the length of the whole circular base of what? The cone, okay? So what you see as theta over 360 times 2 pi r, which is the length of this arc, now becomes the 2 pi r of what? The base of this cone, okay? So the length of arc, okay, for this sector, the length of arc of this sector now becomes what? The length of arc of the whole base of what? The circle, okay? The length of the base of the circle, the whole base, okay? So this is one thing you should know. And then let's say the area of this, okay, the area of this sector is also equal to the curved surface area of the cone or something. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now let's pick a question under cone.